हेलो फ्रेंड्स, टुगेदर वी कैन सीरीज के एक और वीडियो में आपका स्वागत है, जहां हम लोग मैकमिलन बुक के जो एमसीक्यूज हैं उनको डिस्कस करने वाले हैं। सो अभी हम लोग रिटेल बैंकिंग एंड वेल्थ मैनेजमेंट की जो मॉड्यूल 5, जिसको हम लोग ऐसे एडिशनल रीडिंग मटेरियल ऑन होम लोन, सिंस इट इज गिवन इन बुक, तो हम लोग इसको एक बार देख लेते हैं, क्योंकि यहाँ से भी क्वेश्चन आने के आसार हैं। यहाँ से कुछ डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन निकलते हैं जिनको हम लोग अच्छे से देख लेंगे, और साथ ही जो न्यूमेरिकल का स्कोप है वो हम लोगों ने इंडिविजुअल वीडियो में कवर किया है, आप उसको भी देख लेंगे, क्योंकि यहाँ से डायरेक्ट न्यूमेरिकल के भी चांसेस हैं। तो हम लोगों के पास अभी ऑप्शंस क्या क्या हैं, सॉरी हमारे यूनिट्स कितने कवर होने वाले हैं, वो है 4, 27 टू 30। हमारे जो पैकेजेस वो आप ऑलरेडी देखते आ रहे हैं हमारे सारे ही वीडियोस में। आपने जो कोड लगाना है दैट इज अर्ली 200, जहां आपको एक 20% का डिस्काउंट मिल जाता है। तो द क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 इज टू कंसिडर द लोन अमाउंट अंडर हाउसिंग लोन स्कीम, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स आर ट्रू? The property is jointly held with spouse and spouse is the co-borrower. The property is held in a single name and spouse stands as a guarantor. The borrower's son and daughter who has a steady income, salary is routed through bank account and joined as a co-borrower. Expected rental less taxes, this etc. in case of house flat being purchased is proposed to be rented. The regular income from all the sources can be considered to arrive at total eligible loan amount. So the right answer is going to be all of the above. So all the statements are true. Mr. Satish, working as a senior gazetted officer in a government department having 20 years left service, has currently transferred to Hyderabad. He approached the bank branch and requested that he is in pursuit of a good house or apartment in Hyderabad for immediate purchase. He requires in principle sanction. Whether the bank accedes to its request, if so, it is valid for how many months? So simply the question is like, in principle approval is valid for how many months? So it is valid for 3 months only. So if the house property is bought purely from the investment angle, expecting appreciation of value over a period, the loan should be considered as risky and dealt with differently by tightening the norms related to margin, security, and guarantee. So the right answer is true. This is very, very true. So registration of charges with surcharge in case of housing loan should be mandatorily to be made online within how many days of creation of equitable mortgage? So it is 30 days. Even now this has been removed, friends. So अगर ऐसा कोई क्वेश्चन आता है तो आपको यहाँ पे इसको बहुत ही ध्यान से इंसर्ट करना है। तो नाउ देयर इज नो बाउंडेशन ओवर दैट, लेकिन इसमें है कि आप जब भी चार्ज क्रिएट करेंगे उसके बाद से ही चीजें जो है वो इफेक्टिव होने वाली है। An individual took a loan of rupees 25 lakhs for purchasing a flat for self occupancy on 30/3/2015 and paid 2,20,000 towards the interest during 16/17. The maximum amount of interest which can be claimed as the deduction would be 2 lakhs. The husband and wife jointly arranged a loan in April 2014 for constructing a house for self-occupation. The construction was completed in July 15. They have been paying the housing loan installment on 50/50 basis from their respective incomes. During 16/17, they have paid 4,25,000. The maximum interest which each of them can claim as deduction is 2 lakhs only. So either they can split it as 1 lakh, 1 lakh, and 1 lakh, or any one of them can claim 2 lakhs by their own. So an individual took a loan of rupees 10 lakhs for purchasing a plot of land during 10/11 and has paid around 1,10,000 towards the interest and around 57,000 towards the principal during the financial year 16/17. He has not made any other contribution under section 80C, 80CCC, 80CCD. So whether he'll be able to claim any deduction for that, so it is nil. Why? Because he has purchased a plot of land. So the concession ATC, CCC and CCD comes only for residential house purchase. A rupee is worth more than a rupee. It is tomorrow or today. So a rupee today is worth more than a rupee tomorrow. So by applying rule 72, the rupee will be doubled in 9 years at what rate of interest? So it will be like 72 divided by 9. So it will come 8%. So even if you'll have the rule 72, like if the interest rate is, for example, we'll take some convenient interest rate. So if we take 9%, then in how many years it is going to be doubled? So it is going to be doubled in 8 years. So likewise, interest at 15% per annum means the monthly interest, what the monthly interest will be. So friends, interest at 15% per annum means the monthly interest will come somewhere. We have to split it and see in that way. So in India, the mortgage advice profession is carried out without any regulation, so that is true. The question, and friends, इस क्वेश्चन को हम लोगों ने ऑलरेडी डिस्कस किया हुआ है न्यूमेरिकल वाले वीडियो में, तो आप वहां इन डिटेल देख सकते हैं. Select the correct statement from which of the following documents related to the following transaction of the immovable properties are required to be compulsorily registered. Gift, lease of immovable properties where the period is more than 1 year, the instruments which creates any right in the immovable property of a value of more than 100 rupees. So the right answer is going to be all of the above. So thank you so much friends. I hope आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा होगा. If it is so, please like our video and subscribe our channel. All the very best.